In the BNTouch CRM, your Partnerships tab functions as a database of all your agents, realtors, CPAs, and other people you work with for mortgage clients. Each partner record allows you to store information, communicate with, and perform other actions regarding that individual partner. In order to enable the many tools and features throughout your CRM, each record can track contact information and other details for these partners. The information you enter for each will be used elsewhere in your CRM for campaign triggers, calendar reminders, email communication, and more. In the Partnerships tab, you can open any partner's record by clicking their blue Name link. Here, the data stored for the partner is separated into a series of sub-tabs. The first sub-tab, Contact Info, contains basic information for the partner. This includes personal information like their name and birthday, various types of contact information, their preferred language, their mailing address, and social media links. To the right, you can also enter data for their second contact if applicable. The preferred language drop-down menu can be set here to ensure they receive the most effective marketing material. If your marketing campaigns use the multi-language feature, any that are sent to this partner will automatically match their preferred language. A photo and logo can be uploaded from your computer for each record to personalize each partner in your CRM. This can be very helpful for branding in your marketing materials. To the right, you can enter any miscellaneous information you need, how you met the partner, and their time zone. The individual portal password is what the partner will use to access their partner portal, a customized mini website that allows your agents to communicate with you, access participating mortgages, receive and submit documents, send you new leads, create property sites, and more. If you add, change, or remove any information in a partner's record, remember to click the Update Record button below before navigating away to save your work. Specific details regarding your partnership with this person can be managed in the Partnership Info sub-tab. Here, data fields are organized into collapsible sections that can be expanded or hidden by clicking the section header. These headers will display how many fields are contained therein, as well as the number that have been filled out. The current status of collapsed and expanded fields can be saved for this record using the Save View button at the top of the record. When you reopen the partner's record, the collapsible sections will be opened or closed in the same configuration as they were when you saved the view. The fields in this sub-tab primarily involve the partner's relationship with you in your marketing sequence, their current status, what type of partner they are in regard to your business, and any specific goals you have for your partnership. Any miscellaneous fields that have been enabled will appear in the Extra Fields section, which can be customized by your administrator. The Mark as New button will make the record appear in bold in the partner record list, as if it had not been opened yet. If you want any changes to fields in this partner's record to be logged, check the Log Changes into Tracker button. This will create a new tracker event whenever data is changed and the partner record is updated. The area to the right will be an overview of the record in your system. The green buttons can be used to opt the partner in or out for mailing, calling, emailing, or partner portal communication. If your administrator has enabled the BNTouch Voice module for your account, you can click the phone number links here to call the partner directly from your computer. The Portal Invite link can be used to invite the partner to access their portal site. You can access their portal as they would see it using the Click to Visit link. And you can send an invite that contains the partner's portal password by clicking the With Password link. The buttons below can be used to instantly send an email, print a mailing label, print a letter from your documents library, or send an SMS message to the partner if you have the requisite modules enabled. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.